You are a dirty, dirty girl. If you see me misshifting, it's because of this shifter. Look at this. It's not supposed to do that. It's supposed to come back to center. See that? The shift linkage on top of the transmission is screwed up, and I gotta fix it. So I apologize for the misshifts. Doesn't sound good with the windows down. What kind of fuel mileage am I getting? Average economy 38.6. Not bad. Granted, I do like, I don't know, 95% highway driving. Well, mostly roads like this. I wouldn't really consider this highway, but I guess country roads. 55-mile-an-hour roads. And I want you to stop rattling. Yeah, I shouldn't have came this way. But yeah, look at this shifter. Not supposed to do that. Ugh. It is super hard. I'm also pretty weak, but trust me on this, it is worse than, just trust me. It's gonna take a while. Oh, look at the... I don't know if you can see that in the mirror. I'm leaving a huge cloud of dust behind me. Holy crap. I hate living up here. That's why you can't have nice things.